If you are new on this channel, my name is Digital Piru, and right on this channel, I talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and basically how you can grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time on this channel, ensure to like this video, ensure to comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're looking forward to reading people's message without them knowing that you've read the message, or you want to open a message on WhatsApp without being seen, so there are two ways to go about this. Just follow what I'll be sharing right now. So the first way to go about it is by going to your WhatsApp. So let's head on straight to our WhatsApp. So let's open our WhatsApp. So once you're on your WhatsApp like this, what you want to do at this point is for you to go to these three dots up here. So once you click on the three dots, then you come to where you have settings. So once you click on settings, then just come here and locate where you have privacy. So you can see privacy right here. So I can see that right here on my own privacy, it is showing that read receipts is turned off. Can you see that read receipts is turned off? So what you want to do is ensure that yours over there is also turned off. So once this is turned off, anytime you read someone's message on WhatsApp or anytime you open someone's message and read, the person will not know that you've read it. That blue tick will not show on that person's end. But there's a thing about this setting. If you set it this way, you won't know when people read your messages. So you have to consider the pros and cons before you go for this setting. But this is how you get to do it. Do you understand, guys? Awesome. So now let me go ahead and show you the second way you can do this. The second way you can go about checking people's message without them knowing that you've checked their message. So what you need to do now is go to your phone setting. So let's get off from WhatsApp. So go to your phone setting. So right here, what you do at this point is you look for where you have notifications. So you can see that we have notifications right here, notification and status bar. So open it. Once you open this, then you scroll down and look for where you have WhatsApp or WhatsApp business, either of the two you are using. And you can see that mine is actually turned on. My WhatsApp business is turned on. Likewise, my WhatsApp. So just ensure you turn this on. Ensure you turn on notification on either of the applications. So once you turn this on, the advantage of this is that once you turn this on, you can always preview people's messages. Whenever they send you a message, you can always preview it without them knowing that you've checked it. So this is what I'm saying. So I just swipe down my phone right now. So can you see that I can preview some messages right here? So this person said, boss man. Can you see that? So now I already know what he said without even opening the message. You won't know that I've seen what he said. So this is the second way you go about this. So I believe you now understand how to go about setting this on your phone. Go ahead and try it right there and let me know if it worked for you. And if it did, ensure you come back and comment. Drop a comment that it worked for you. Subscribe to this channel and also like this video so that it can reach out to more people. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.